Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to check if Windows 32-bit or 64-bit on a non-bootable OS. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To check if your Windows OS is 32-bit or 64-bit on a non-bootable system, you can try the following method. Use a tool like Rufus or the Windows Media Creation tool to create a bootable USB drive with Windows installation media. Insert the bootable USB drive into your non-bootable computer. Restart the computer and enter the boot menu, or BIOS UEFI setup. Select the USB drive to boot from it. Once you've booted from the USB drive, you should see the Windows setup screen. Press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. Type disk part and hit enter. Type list volume and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Identify the drive letter of your Windows partition. It might not be the same as in Windows. Suppose your Windows drive is C. Type the following command to change to the Windows directory. Replace C with your Windows partition letter if it is different. Now you can check for the presence of the syswow64 folder by typing dir. This will display a list of all files and directories within the C Windows directory. The presence of the syswow64 folder indicates that the OS is 64-bit. If the syswow64 folder does not exist, the OS is 32-bit. Alternatively, you can type replace C with your Windows partition letter if it is different. This method provides a quick way to check the architecture of the installed OS by looking at the system directories. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.